Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on MARSH. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to share my price prediction for 2025. But before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever, guys. So make sure that you join as soon as possible. It's a no-brainer. Look at this. I gave you Stellar XLM, as stated by the breakout. A few days later, boom, 453% up. I gave you Bonk, 230% up just a few days after I posted in the group. I gave you Degen on base, massive explosive move to the upside, 317% up just a few hours after I shared it with you. XRP, 190%. And these are just a few examples. I gave you many others, guys. Bread, Slurf, WIF, many other meme coins, AI tokens, gaming projects, dipping. All that good stuff can be found on my Telegram group. Last free day was supposed to be Cyber Monday. But because I received so many messages, I decided to leave it like that for a couple more days. This is the greatest altcoin season of all times, guys. Don't miss this opportunity. You can use our group to scan the market every single day. There are thousands of altcoins out there. And these setups are helping you navigate. It's very important to be able to look at what trading setups other successful traders are paying attention to every single day. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, this is Unmarshal. The ticker is MARSH. It's currently ranked 1,322. The price is at 13 cents, 41.26% up for the day. And the market cap is currently sitting right above 8 million. So there is a lot of room to grow, lots of potential here. I gave you this setup, and since then, Unmarshal has moved over 100% up. Before we look at the charts on TradingView, let's look at what is MARSH real quick. Unmarshal is a multi-chain DeFi network of indexers that provides seamless access to blockchain data for DeFi applications. They provide rich, meaningful, and reliable access to data through their decentralized network nodes. This is their X account. You can find it at Unmarshal AI. Look what it says here, the most advanced AI-powered blockchain data infrastructure. So this is an AI token, guys. The keywords that we see are AI, data, and DeFi. They have been pretty active on X, posting almost every single day. And as you see here, they have over 76,000 followers. So they have a lot of people backing their project. This is their website. You can find it at unmarshal.io. Look what it says here, powered by AI. AI has been outperforming the market, guys, as a narrative in the crypto space. So AI tokens are expected to do really well. When AI has its moment during this upcoming bull run, these tokens are going to experience massive parabolic moves to the upside. So don't sleep on them. After meme coins, this is the hottest narrative to be in, AI. Unmarshal's decentralized indexer network, transitioning to a first-of-a-kind community-owned ABS-based hybrid blockchain. Look at this. Unmarshal is revolutionizing the intersection of blockchain and artificial intelligence. Their mission is to seamlessly integrate these key technologies to unblock new possibilities and drive innovations in Web3. Another keyword, Web3. You can go through this on your own time. I'm not going to waste time here. There is a lot of data that you might be interested in. This is the chart on TradingView. If I zoom in, guys, you'll see that I gave you the setup when it was trading all the way down here. We had this falling wedge, and I stated in the group, buy the breakout. Look what happened after the breakout. The measured move from the breakout to this high that we are currently moving, that was a 114% move. You could double your money. And these white horizontal lines that I have here on the chart that are thinner were the old targets that I shared with you on my Telegram group. The thicker horizontal lines that you see in this video are the new targets, the new Fibonacci levels of support and resistance that you need to pay attention to. If we zoom out, you see that when I first gave you this setup, we were at rock bottom. This was the best time to accumulate this token. But this chart has a huge structure going on. So if we zoom out even more, you see that technically we are still at range lows. And look at this, there is a triple bottom going on, really bullish. I really love this pattern. Last time when MARSH pumped, it pulled some huge moves, guys. Look at this. That was a 585% from the bottom to this local high. Another move from the bottom of this accumulation phase to this high, that was over a 559% move. So it's very possible that Mars is going to pull a move that's similar to this, a 500% move from this bottom to this high. Of course, the price action has pumped recently, especially today, but there is still huge potential. If we are lucky, we are going to see the price action pulling back soon, and we might be able to get another entry all the way down here on one of these support levels. 10 cents. If we are really lucky, we might get another entry at 0.081 all the way down here. This yellow line that you see on the chart is the 200-day moving average. As you see, the price action broke above it and skyrocketed all the way up here. Usually, when altcoins escape the accumulation phase and they enter the markup phase, what happens is the price action breaks above this 200 simple moving average, and then when it pulls back, it starts bouncing above it. This is what it means to be in a bull run, guys. Breaking above the 200 moving average and start bouncing above it. Really bullish. So the first support level that I am looking at is located at 12 cents, 0.1251, right here. The price action broke above it, and I am waiting to see what is going to happen next. Are we going to close above it and stay above it? Or are we going to pull back? As I've said many times before, guys, in this channel, we don't like to buy green candles. We are wolves. We buy fear. We love red. We love pullbacks. So if we see a nice pullback here on one of these support levels, if the price action bounces here or here, that's going to be an amazing buying opportunity in my eyes. I'll show you why in a bit. But if the price action doesn't pull back and we close above and we see a bounce here, I have a few targets for you, key levels of resistance at the moment that you need to pay attention. The first one is all the way up here, 19 cents, 0.1980. From the current price levels to the first target at 0.1980, that's almost a 50% move, guys. 48.55%. And this is why we love pullbacks, guys. Look at this. If we see a pullback all the way down here to this key level of support at 10 cents, the measured move to this target at 0.1980, that's already a 92% move. There is a huge difference. If we see an even deeper pullback all the way down here at 0.081, the measured move is going to be over 143%. Huge move. The next target that I have here on the chart is located at 0.2814. From the current price levels to the second target, that's a 109% move. We can double our money, even if we buy this huge green candle right here. If we see a pullback to this key level of support at 10 cents, the measured move to this target, that's going to be a 174%. Next target is located at 36 cents. The measured move from the current price levels is a 182% move approximately. If we see a pullback to this key level of support at 10 cents, that's going to be a move over 250%. And if we see an even deeper pullback all the way down here at 0.081, boom, 352% move. This token has a very low market cap, only 8 million. So it doesn't need a lot of liquidity in order to pull moves like these, guys. This is not a heavy token. Just a little bit of liquidity flowing into it, and it's going to pull a nice move like that. If we zoom out, we can see the bigger picture. I think that MARSH can surpass that previous high that we saw in March of 2024 around 41 cents when the rest of the crypto market experienced a mini bull run. This was just a sample of what is going to happen during a full-blown altcoin season of 2025. So I think that MARSH can break above this and keep moving higher and higher. I'm going to give you more targets as the time goes by, depending on how MARSH is performing. So make sure that you join my Telegram group. My price prediction for MARSH this time is all the way up here at $3.25. That's a 25x move from the current price levels. If MARSH pulls a 25x move during this upcoming bull run, it's going to have a market cap of only 179 million, almost 180 million. That's nothing, guys. Honestly, if MARSH performs well as an AI token, we might see a 500 million market cap. Who knows? Here on KuCoin, the all-time high is all the way up here at $5. We saw this in June of 2021. As you might know, 80 to 90% of altcoins that put an all-time high during their first bull run, they don't reach that all-time high during their second bull run. That's why I'm not going to give you any crazy price predictions. I think a 25x move for a low-cap AI gem like this one here makes sense. So I'm going to leave it at that for now. And in the coming days, I'm going to post updates, updating not only my Fibonacci levels, but also my price prediction. So make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, join my Telegram group, And on top of that, click the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post these setups. That's all I had for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. And please let me know, what is your price prediction for Unmarshal AI for 2025? Let me know in the comments below. I really want to know what you guys think about it. Trade carefully.